Surat, a city where history weaves into the fabric of modern industry and where raw stones are transformed into brilliance. Known as Diamond City of the World and hub of textile artistry, Surat's legacy is one of hard work, craftsmanship, and global trade. Surat's diamond journey began in 1960s when traders and artisans from Gujarat and Rajasthan turned this city into a hub of craftsmanship. With skill passed down through generations, the city quickly became synonymous with precision and excellence in diamond processing. Surat contributes to over 90% of the world's diamond cutting and polishing. Every sparkling gem you see on the global stage likely passed through the skilled hands of Surat's artisans. The diamond industry employs over 7 lakh people in Surat. From smallest workshop to the state-of-the-art facilities, Surat's diamond illuminate lives across the globe. Surat's diamond industry grew rapidly in late 20th century, driven by skilled artisans and advanced technology. Today, laser cutting and automated precision tools have transformed the trade. Surat dominates due to its efficiency, affordability, and unmatched craftsmanship.
હું એસઆરટી કંપનીમાં છેલ્લા 5 વર્ષથી જોબ કરું છું. ડાયમંડની અંદર સૌ પ્રથમ તો રફ ડાયમંડ આવે છે, એને એસોર્ટ કરવામાં આવે છે કલર ક્લેરિટી વાઇઝ. પછી એસોર્ટ બાદ એને પ્લાનિંગ કરવાનું હોય છે, ગેલેક્સી પ્લાનિંગ થયા બાદ નેક્સ્ટ પ્રોસેસમાં જાય છે ચેકિંગ માટે. ચેકર ચેક કર્યા બાદ પ્લાન ઓકે કરે છે, પ્લાન ઓકે થઈ જાય બાદ નેક્સ્ટ પ્રોસેસ લેસરમાં જાય છે, હીરો લેસર કટિંગમાં. લેસર કટિંગ થયા બાદ પ્લાન ઓકે થયા બાદ એમએફજીમાં પોલિશિંગ માટે હીરો જાય છે અને પોલિશિંગ થઈ જાય, તૈયાર હીરો થઈ જાય પછી ડાયરેક્ટ હીરો ગ્રેડિંગમાં જાય છે. ગ્રેડિંગમાં કલર ક્લેરિટી મુકાય છે, ત્યારબાદ સર્ટિફાઈડ માટે જીઆઈ પ્રોસેસમાં હોય છે. લાસ્ટ પ્રોસેસ જીઆઈ પ્રોસેસ છે.
In 2023, Surat reached another milestone with the opening of Surat Diamond Bourse, the world's largest office dedicated to diamonds. While Surat is known for its diamond, its textile industry is equally captivating. From Zardosi and machine embroidery, the city produces textile that blends tradition with innovation. Surat's textile industry dates back centuries. Once known for its silk and brocade work, today it contributes nearly 40% of India's total man-made fabric production, making it the heartbeat of nation's textile trade. The city thrives on synthetic fabrics like polyester, viscose, and blended textile. Surat is the home to thousands of power loom units, dyeing houses, and embroidery workshops, which exports fabrics worldwide, adoring brides, fashion enthusiasts, and art lovers alike.
Hi, I'm Kashyap Bhatia from KC Group, Surat. Surat produces a variety of fabrics that are silk-based and also other such polyester fabrics. Surat deals in different manufacturing processes such as weaving, jacquards, knitting, embroidery, stitching, dyeing, printing, and many more. This proves that Surat always adapts to changes very well and responds to this very quickly and meets the industry's advancements as soon as possible. The major products manufactured in Surat are fabrics, value-added fabrics, dress materials, kurta sets, and some western wear and denims as well. Surat is also capitalizing the boom of fashion e-commerce in India and soon can be leaders in this sector as well. Surat's textile industry has been home to approximately 5 lakh people, not only from Gujarat but other states like UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and many more.
Surat's sari have evolved from the hand-woven silk saris of past to today's lightweight, machine-made and intricately designed synthetic fabrics. The city caters to both domestic and international market, making it a global hub for sari production. As Surat evolves, so do its industries. With sustainability becoming a priority, textile manufacturers are exploring eco-friendly dyes and waterless fabric. Meanwhile, the diamond sector is embracing lab-grown diamond and AI-driven precision cutting. Together, these industries forms the backbone of Surat's economy, providing livelihood to millions. These industries have not only transformed the local economy but have also positioned Surat as global powerhouse. Surat's diamond symbolizes purity and eternity, while its embroidery stitches together the past and future. This city, a vibrant confluence of art, craftsmanship, and innovation, continues to shine brighter with each passing days. Surat, where tradition meets transformation, truly lives up to its name as the Jewel of India.